This video is aimed at identifying loss points on our fiber cable. So we'll explain how to set up our 2D machine and how to interpret the results after measurement so that we know where exactly to go and repair, and how to check when you reach to the point where you want to repair, how to know if this is exactly where you want to reduce your loss. So as we all know, after turning on your machine, it will come to mainly it starts at OTDR standard format. So after coming to here, after you connect your patch code for measurement, you can set up your machine. Let's say our fiber is 85 kilometer. So I set up the parameters. We set up range. First I set up the distance. Mainly we have two tests which are important. We have automatic test and manual test. The automatic test is helpful to know the actual distance of your fiber, and also you can use it to know if your fiber has loss within standards or out of standards. So I'll set up distance to 100. As I've said, we take an example that this is 85 kilometer fiber, so I set to 100, and then I set up resolution to high density, and then path width to 2000 or above. For auto test, you can set up that to be more convenient. After that, I enter, and then another important parameter to set is for time. So I set up the time. You can set to 3 minutes or 1 minute is okay. I can put to 3 minutes, and then I'll enter. Okay. After that, for auto test, we can press start. For example, for this fiber, it was 78 kilometers, and so because this fiber is not cut, it's straight, so total distance is 78 kilometers. And as we can see here, we can check, we see the total loss is 36.299. I can put up to see clearly to 36.289. This is the total loss of this fiber. After I've seen this, then I can evaluate for my cable of 78 kilometer. Is this loss within standard or out of standard? So about standards for measurement, we have for cable used within 1 year, we use, for example, for the group guideline, 0.25 dB per kilometer. And for cable used above 1 year to 2 year, it is 0.27. And for cable used above 2 years to 3 years and more, it's 0.3 dB per kilometer. So we can divide this total loss of 36.289 to our total distance of 78.6576 kilometer, so that we can get the loss per kilometer.